You know, I used to be the guy who all the neighbors blamed for their weed problems because of my lawn. But I hate to admit it, but they were probably right. But that was before I started using Evergreen's 4-step lawn care program featuring Fertilome lawn fertilizers with weed controls and nutrients. It's a year-long program with 4 easy-to-apply steps that takes about 30 minutes each application. In fact, the other day I just applied step 1. Fertilome lawn food with dimension weed control. The green people told me to apply step 1 when I knew it was going to rain, so as to move the weed control into the soil where it really works. And you know what? With the warm temperatures we've had recently, I can see that my grass is green and growing, and I'm confident that the crabgrass weeds are just going to wither away to nothing. And my grass is greener and more weed-free than before, thanks to the gardening experts at Evergreen Home and Garden Showplace. I went from the Garden of Weeding to the Yard of the Month. Now, instead of glaring at my yard when they drive by, my neighbors are stopping to ask for lawn care advice, and I just tell them to talk to the green people at Evergreen Home and Garden Showplace at either of their 2 locations in Kingsport or in Colonial Heights. Your lawn experts, your spring garden experts, the green people, Evergreen. Goodbye, Garden of Weeding. Hello, green lawn.